In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade shares on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list and find the share, also known as a stock CFD, that you want to trade. This list will show the available instruments, and you can scroll through it until you locate the one you need. After you find the share, double-click on it to open its chart. The chart will help you view the recent price movement and confirm that you are looking at the correct market. Take a moment to review the current market price and the chart before placing your trade. This helps you understand where the price is trading at that moment. When you are ready to place the trade, click New Order from the top toolbar. You can also right-click directly on the chart and choose Place New Order. Either option will open the order window for that share. In the order window, first confirm that the correct share is selected as the trading symbol. This is important because you want to make sure you are placing the trade on the right instrument. Next, enter the quantity for your trade. This is where you decide the size of your position. You can then choose to set a stop loss and a take profit. These are optional, but they can help you manage risk and define your target. A stop loss closes the trade automatically if the market moves against you to a certain level. A take profit closes the trade automatically when your chosen profit level is reached. Once everything looks correct, decide the direction of your trade. Click Buy if you expect the share price to rise. Click Sell if you expect the share price to fall. After that, wait for the order to be executed by the platform. When the order has been placed successfully, go to the Trade section and open the Positions tab. There, you can verify that your share trade appears in the list of active positions. This confirms that your trade is now live and being managed in your account. That is the full process for trading shares on Pepperstone using CTrader. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.